Our other top story, an Oakland County judge has ruled the Oxford school shooter is eligible to serve a life sentence without the possibility of parole.
But that decision about his time behind bars isn't a done deal just yet. Sean Lay is live on this story, and Sean, he still has to be sentenced.
Sentence, Kimberly, December 8th. No one knows what that sentence is going to be until the judge hands it down. Huge factor in today's ruling, this question: can the shooter be rehabilitated behind bars in prison? The judge said the shooter was obsessed with violence before the shooting and even now continues to look up violent content in the jail. He says he's obsessed with violence to this day.
His obsession with violence is in part what caused defendant to commit the underlying offense. If defendant continues to be obsessed with violence in the jail, how can there be a possibility of rehabilitation?
Oakland County Judge Kwame Rowe ruling the prosecution met its burden to show that sentencing the shooter, a juvenile, to life without parole is appropriate. The U.S. and Michigan Supreme Court saying locking up a minor with no chance of getting out is unconstitutional. Prosecutors must prove that the punishment fits the crime during what is called a Miller hearing to dig deep into factors in the teen's life that may be to blame for such violence. The shooter's hearing was emotional.
The defendant wanted that notoriety. He wanted to be remembered for the shooting.
Both Jennifer and James Crumbley knew that the evidence showed that their son was experiencing disturbing mental health issues in the months leading up to the shooting.
What must be considered: the minor's age, home life, his behavior behind bars, the circumstances of the crime, and can the minor be rehabilitated? Judge Rose says it was the careful, thought-out planning and execution of the shooting. Every move calculated, nothing impulsive.
He downloaded a map of the high school. He put tissue in his ears to protect himself prior to the shooting, and he methodically shot and killed several individuals with precision after having practiced at a gun range. This is not a case where the defendant had no time to think about what he was going to do. He had several opportunities to not conduct a school shooting, but he went through with it anyway.
Back here live, Oakland County Prosecutor Karen McDonald tonight saying she hopes this ruling from the judge today brings some comfort to the Oxford community. We're live tonight. Sean Lay, Local 4, back to you.
Let's hope it does. Okay, Sean, thank you.